Welcome to the new Flow Templates library. Drop these complete, high-end workflows directly into your canvas and go from one direction to infinite variations. So far, we've familiarized ourselves with how PhotoGPT Flow works. Now, it would be pretty handy if you could reuse parts of your flows directly in other projects, wouldn't it? That's where templates come into play. These are predefined flows that you can simply drop onto your canvas, quickly tweak, and use right away. Let's use the outfit fashion template for this tutorial. As you can see, it's a video generation template with 3 nodes, and all the prompts are already filled in. Now, suppose I wanted to change the person featured in this image. All I'd have to do is replace this image asset using the Replace button. From there, we can navigate to External and search pixels for a new person to swap into our video. Simply click on the character you want to replace your current output with. Now let's run the video generator as the prompts are already filled in as per the template. Look at the result! For even easier access to this network of nodes, we can actually save it as a preset. To do that, let's toggle from drag to select mode, select the entire flow, and a few options will appear in the bottom right. Let's click Save Preset. Now, all you need to do is enter the name you'd like to save this preset as, and click Save. To use this preset anytime in the future, just click Presets in the Tools dock and select whichever one you'd like to use. This will instantly place that saved network of nodes right onto your canvas. Just like that, you can save your cool flows and use them later. Thanks for exploring with us. Now, it's time for you to start creating.